What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Unlimited Hustle here, and I'm back again with another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing another dropshipping challenge where I'll be taking a brand new store and trying to make it profitable. In my last video, I did a 48-hour challenge and that failed miserably. In this video, I'm gonna do a 5-day challenge. I felt like 48 hours was definitely too fast to take a brand new store and make it profitable. So I'm gonna take that same $100 budget, but instead of doing $50 a day for 2 days, I'm gonna be doing $20 a day for 5 days and see if I can get any sales from that store. So I'm gonna break this down into 4 simple steps. The first step is finding your winning product. And to find my winning product this time, I use a seller or Fiverr. I paid somebody to do some research and find me some winning products. After a day or two, the seller came back to me with about 5 winning products and I chose the best one. I'm gonna show you guys the product I chose and tell you why I chose that product. Here's the product I end up choosing. It's a baby carrier. So pretty much what you do is you put it around your waist and you use it to hold your baby. So this is going to be good for both genders, male and female, and people with kids. I found this product, I really liked it because I felt like there's a need for it. And here's the product. So right now it's at the price is $7.62 and the shipping is $2. You're looking at a $9 cost to buy this product and have it shipped. And I'm gonna sell it for way more. So there's gonna be a good profit margin on this product. So I found my winning product and I'm gonna move on to step 2. Step 2 is gonna be building your store. To build my store, I use a Fiverr seller as well. The Fiverr seller took about 48 hours to build the store, and after he finished building the store, I did go on my own and did my own tweaking. So I'm gonna show you guys what the store looked like on my phone because that's how people are gonna be seeing it. So here's the store right here. This is the home page. And the product price, I did end up putting it to $29.99. So there's a $20 profit margin on each order. So this is the home page of the store, and this is gonna be the product page. So this is gonna be the landing page where people will be getting redirected to. At the top, I offer a discount code, and you see I have all the pictures, I have reviews. I offer a huge amount of variety, so you see there I have like, 9 different colors. So that way my customers have a different option to choose from. You see I have a description, and also in the description, I made sure to include more images. So that way, you know, the customer will have an idea of what the product is. That's the store, a simple one product store. My first 2 steps is completed. Step 3 is one of the most important steps, and that's going to be your ads. You want to have ads for your campaign that will convert. For my ads, I use viral ecom ads. If you guys have no idea what viral ecom ads, they are one of the biggest ad agency in this space. So let's go over to Viral Ecom Ads website so I can show you guys what that looks like. Here's the Viral Ecom Ads website. It's just viralecomads.com, and I'm going to be doing I'm going to go to video ads, and let's go to video ads package. And in this case, we're going to want to do the TikTok split testing package because I'm going to get 3 videos and I'm going to test all 3. For that, it's going to be $50 for those 3 videos. But if you are a VIP member, you pay only $12.50. VIP members, they get 75% off, and they also get 24-hour delivery. The membership fee is going to be $50 a month. If you plan on doing drop shipping or running ads, I definitely recommend just go ahead and getting the VIP package because you will save a lot of money. If you are interested in using viral ecom ads, use my code HUSTLE and you'll get 15% off your orders. By the way, let me show you guys what my ads look like. I had Viral Ecom Ads create me 3 ads. Here's the first one.
Ready to make life a little easier? Our baby carrier is here to help. This carrier keeps your baby close and cozy while keeping you comfortable too. Its ergonomic design promotes healthy hip development for your little one, while its adjustable straps ensure a perfect fit for you. Get yours today and enjoy the freedom of hands-free parenting.
Here's the second ad.
Tired of lugging around bulky strollers? Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to our baby carrier. Designed with both you and your baby in mind, it provides a snug and secure environment for your little one, while evenly distributing their weight to keep you comfortable. Get yours today and start enjoying hands-free parenting.
And here's the third one.
Say hello to the ultimate baby essential, our baby carrier. It's not just a carrier, it's a cozy cocoon for your little one to explore the world in comfort. With its ergonomic design, it keeps your baby's hips in the pediatric recommended M position, ensuring their comfort and safety. Get yours today and make every outing a breeze.
Step 3 is completed. Step 4 is going to be actually starting your TikTok ad campaign. Like I said, I took a $100 budget and I split it down to $20 per day for 5 days. Let me show you guys the results of how my campaign did. So here's the results for the first day of my campaign. As you can see, the first day, I ended up spending $20.87. I had a $10.44 CPC and a $44.50 CPM. My impression was 469, and according to TikTok, I only had 2 clicks. So as you can see, the results were very bad. So on day 2, we spent $19.45. We had a $19.45 CPC. We had more impressions, but we had less click. So on day 3, we spent $18.77. The CPC was lower. So we had $9.39. We had 684 impressions. So the impressions went up, the clicks went up a little bit. Well, it went back to 2 clicks on day 3. But on day 3, according to TikTok, we made a conversion. So that's great. That means we got 1 sale on day 3. Day 4, we spent $20.19. We had the highest impression, 761. We had the highest amount of clicks as well, but we still had 0 conversion for day 4. And the last day, day 5, let's see how we did. The first day was actually the 20th. Okay, yeah, so I did it wrong. So the first day was actually the 20th, not the 21st. So the first day we did $20.13. We had a $5 CPC. And the impressions was 474 clicks, but we had no conversion. So as you can see, the only time we had a conversion was that one day. During those 5 days, I only made 1 sale for $34 and some change. One thing I noticed that the clicks were very low. So I was not getting enough clicks and sessions on my store in order to get more conversions. On the bright side, I did make a sale. My last video I made no sale at all. I'm definitely happy that I did make a sale. That let me know that something is working. I just have to keep doing some testing, and hopefully that encourages you guys to start drop shipping. As you can see, it definitely does work. I took a brand new store and I got a sale from it. The bad side is I didn't make any profit. Maybe if I increase my campaign budget, I will make more conversions, but I just have to keep testing. That's what drop shipping is all about, is just testing, finding a winning product, finding the right ads. It do take money to make money. As you can see, I spent $100 on ads and I only got $34 back in sales. I did lose some money. I didn't make all my money back and I didn't make any profit, to be transparent. So, that's just my results. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys want me to keep doing dropshipping videos.